Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, I'm going to talk about stablecoin staking as a hedge against inflation. So this is a post I made recently on Facebook, one of Elon's tweets where he said, if history is any guide, not many will make it past the next recession. And he goes on to say, I'll just show you, what do you think? Someone goes, when do you think the next recession will be? And he says, predicting macroeconomics is challenging, to say the least. My gut feel is maybe around spring or summer 2022, but not later than 2023. So I was just saying, yeah, I dare say there's going to be probably crash sometime this year, and that the best way to hedge against this is to stake stable coins for passive returns. So this is the video I am recording on this now. So I did get someone say, Joel, asking how is it feasible to hedge with US dollars at the rate of inflation, the rate they are printing, and I'm going to show you how you can stake a stable coin at 20% plus APY per year, which definitely is a lot better than having your money sitting in a bank earning, 0.03% a year, and at the rate of inflation you're actually losing money having it sitting in US dollars or Australian dollars or any fiat currency for that matter. So yeah, you've come to the right place. Let's get stuck in. So the first platform that I recommend, that I have used before, last year I was staking Cake and BNB, and that is still going. So that is really good to see, and they're offering 41.57%. So, in this thing, if you put in Cake and BNB, that's what you get as a return. And then you can also stake BUSD, which is a stable coin, and BNB at 22.28%. Return. This is per year. So PancakeSwap is the first one. Now I already did a how-to video, how to stake on PancakeSwap. You could find in previous videos of mine if you do a search. So rather than go over how to do that, you can just search the video where I explain that. Yeah, so that's the first one I recommend, PancakeSwap. And I've got very exciting news, because there is one that is actually pre-launch phase right now. I have gotten inside info on this one. We are in early. If you're watching this today, it hasn't even launched. It's going to launch tomorrow, or I think it was the 5th of January. So today's the 3rd of January. It's going to launch on the 5th, if not the 4th. I'm not exactly sure on the date, but it will be launching very soon. And it is called the manafarm. And it's also on the BSC network, like PancakeSwap. And you can stake single asset tokens here, like BUSD and ETH and, RAT, BNB, and, you have to do funny things to get this. I won't explain that in this video, but this allows you to stake. I don't know the APR just yet, but I am told it will be very high to begin with. So keep your eye on manafarm, because in the first few weeks is when you want to stake, because the APR is usually very high. So that's under pools, and under farms you will see you can stake stable coins such as USDT to BUSD, USDC to BUSD. So how exciting is that? And DAI and BUSD is also stablecoin, and TUSD and BUSD. So this is a platform that I'll be utilizing once maybe things go pear-shaped in crypto. I'll be converting my coins to a stable coin and staking for APR here. Now, what I really like about this platform is it is like a its own ecosystem, because if you stake, for example, Rev, you can then go to, like, once you earn in Revs, and the Revs you can put into the pool to earn the stablecoin. And then the stablecoin you can put back into the farm here to earn Revs. And then it goes around and around. It's just a self-sustaining ecosystem. And it's really amazing. And you can even put it in here. So I can't wait to see what the APR for that is. And I intend on just getting some Rev tokens in the meantime as well. And what I also really like about this is, you will be flabbergasted by this. At the moment, they have a thing where you can earn, pretty much, you can earn 3% a day just by putting your BUSD in to liberate the drip liberation. So you can liberate your drip and earn 3% a day. So I just tested this out recently. I just put $300 in, and this is what's happened. I've made $15 so far in a couple of days. So if you want to know how you can do this exactly, I do have a private Telegram group, and I have done a step-by-step video on how you can get involved with drip liberation. In my private Telegram group, I do have a paid video channel, okay, because this stuff isn't easy for the average person to do. So if you want to know how to do that, join my private Telegram group. I'll put the link below, and I'll also put the link to join my private video channel, where I post all my how-to videos and all the drops on everything, and you get access to ask any questions you want as part of the fee. So I charge either in quarterly installments or yearly. So it is a yearly membership, which you can pay in quarterly installments of $100 a month, basically, or $1,000 a year. It's up to you. I figure, considering if you want someone to hold your hand and you want to get in on things like this, like 3% a day, is worth joining my group, so you don't make mistakes if you're new to this. However, if you're advanced and already know what to do, then just feel free to join my Telegram chat group, which is free. Anyhow, that is those two farms, and I will introduce a third one in this video as well, and it is called Hex. Now, Hex, I started just for fun a couple of years ago. I threw in a little bit of money into Hex, and so it's quite funny to check back 2 years later, when I totally forgot about it, that I was staking Hex, to see that my Hex has grown. So it's just amazing. And with Hex, it's 40% interest a year. So, I mean, this isn't a stable coin, but it has been around for a long time, and, I've been in it for years now, so I can vouch for it. So, obviously I need to connect my MetaMask, so I'll just pause and do that. So Hex is just like a set and forget stake. You put in the number of days and the amount, and you link it with MetaMask, and then it just earns automatically. Like, I think I only threw in like $20 or something, and yeah, so this is like 2 years later. So, I mean, for $20 chucked in, I think that's pretty good return, right? So, yeah, Hex is pretty amazing. You can even, I think you can just end the stake early if you want to as well. But, yeah, the reason why it's quite funny, I never withdrew my Hex, was because it was too expensive to withdraw it, because it was using ETH gas. and it worked out to be that I would have to pay more in gas fees to actually withdraw my capital, so I just left it in there. And yeah, so it's just funny, it's been sitting there and earning all this time. That's what's been going on here. So yeah, that's another staking platform that I recommend. You know, it's going good, and I'll show you a chart of Hex because you're lucky if you're watching this today. Hex is turning around. It's done its dip that I saw coming, and now it looks to be turning around. So this is actually a really good time to buy Hex, the coin, because we've done the dip and we're turning around here. So it went further down than this ideal buy zone, obviously, but it's looking very healthy for a turnaround now. It's starting to turn around on the 4-hour chart. Whoa, what just happened then? Whoa, did you guys just see that jump up? Did that literally just jump up like when I was talking? That's weird. That's a good sign. So like I'm saying, it's turning around, and yeah, I mean, yeah, I think it literally did jump up just then. So yeah, good time to buy Hex. It's turning around. I do think we will be like turning around and then climbing back up again. So highly recommend Hex as well. And I think I'll just keep it to those 3 platforms for now. Again, if you want instructions, I have them all in my video channel. I've done step by step on how to do it all. You can figure it all out yourself, which should take you like a long time, and throwing your laptop against the wall, possibly, which is what happened to me in the early days, not knowing what the hell I was doing. Or you can have me as your mentor guide you every step of the way so that you don't make any mistakes. And then hence you don't lose money. So those are my 3 stablecoin platforms for now. I do have 2 other ones, but they use different stablecoins. So I will do a video on those next. You could probably find them on YouTube anyway, but they're to do with Anchor Protocol and UST and Luna. So anyhow, I just thought I'd get this video out here today because of manafarm and how exciting that is. And if you wanted to get into this drip liberation, I would act quick smart before they launch this farm, because I dare say everything, you know, especially the drip, is going to explode in value. So yeah, I will put all the links below on how you can join. And yeah, good luck. I'll talk to you soon. And cheers, and thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and stay tuned for my next videos.